Hello, my name is Juan Manuel Garzón. I am in a relationship. I am from East Medellin. I am 21 years old. I am a soccer player from Boyacá Chico team. I am study systems in engineering at UNAD. And usually I got 20 you. Uh, I live in Medellin and I am one all about this great city. Medellin is one of the best cities in Colombia and has a lot of tourist places. One of the most important and a state of Medellin is that we have a metro where you can travel a large part of and city. And Wilson what the Pedra del Peñol, where man people use the goat from to August 7th, the city celebration La Feria de las Flores, where people can enjoy parade and concerts at the same time. People order the typical food the city did bandeja paisa, which is made up of rice, beans, chicharrón, meat, avocado, and yet. Finagit in mi ciudad, in mi city, you can go to food place like the Gafritito in the Comuna 13, the Pueblito Paisa, the Cerro de las Tres Cruces, I am also in the top place enjoy the gastronomy. It spectacular clean amber so wow bit is moments you can walk is on the one that you can visit Medellin.